Hey there, beautiful one. This is Faith Hunter, and are you ready to get your core hot and popping? It's summertime, or maybe it's not, wherever you are. Let's get it going. You're going to place your shins on the mat. You can also cross your legs, and we're going to first just kind of warm up the spine. We're doing some cat-cow, seated cat-cow. So your chest is going to come forward. You're going to exhale, round the back. I have my hands on my knees and shins, and they're kind of flowing with me just to start to activate things in my body. Chin is lifting up, exhale, round. Do this a few times to create a little flow, to move that energy through your spine. Then I kind of rock a little bit, shake it out. Whew, let's get to it. Come onto your hands and knees. You're on all fours, just kind of rocking those hips a little bit from side to side, making sure that you are spreading your fingers wide in the process for this. Breathing in, breathing out, even here, kind of drawing your navel in, releasing any tension through your hips. All right, we're nice and stable. Remember that cat and cow? Now we're going to do it here on all fours. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, round your back. Breathing in, breathing out. Drawing the navel in really tight as you exhale. All right, start to roll that body. Ooh, yeah, nice big circles. Rib cage and hips are moving in circles. And then you're going to move to the opposite direction. Juice it up, baby. Okay, shake it out. Whew. Are you ready? Are you ready? Nice and stable. You're going to flip the right fingers back towards your knees and then the left fingers back towards your knees. Now, if doing this is too much with both hands, you can do one hand at a time. Breathe here. Feel into that nice stretch and then release. We're going to flip now the back of your hand. I'm just doing the right hand first because this is pretty intense. Fingers are moving towards your knee. Release the right palm, flip the left hand. Remember, the back of the left hand is on the earth. Stretch it out. This is great if you're sitting at the computer all day, by the way. All right, flip the left palm down. Shake it out, shake it out. Whew, release any tension through those arms. You're going to extend the arms out in front of you and just kind of flick your fingers a little bit. Swing the arms. I'm kind of just doing what feels good right now. Come back onto all fours. Set it up. You're going to take that right leg behind you. Exhale, right knee to your chest and nose. We're doing the same cat-cow, but we're adding the leg. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, round the back. Now I'm going pretty fast here because I'm really trying to heat it up here in this Jamaican sun, but you can go slow if you'd like. Inhale, leg up. Exhale, round. Really bring that knee to your nose and round the back. Engage your core each time you exhale. Take the right leg behind you and do a couple of little leg pumps. You can point or flex the foot. Just pump, pump, pump. Look at that glute. Look at that booty, baby. And then bend the right knee. Pump that right heel up. Pump, pump, pump. Keep the core engaged. You're gazing right at your toes. All right, you're going to take that right knee and tap the right tricep if you can. Oh my God, this is serious. Right leg extends, knee comes to your tricep. Again, just do as many as you can. I don't even know if I'm counting right here. It doesn't even matter. It's just about keeping the body flowing and moving. Now you're going to open up the body, reaching the right arm up and the right leg back. You're balancing here. The left toes are curled under. Remember that tap? Now you're going to take the right elbow to tap your right knee or thigh. I think I'm coming to the thigh. Do that a few times and then balance and hold. It's kind of like a modified side plank. Lower your right arm or lower your right foot. Sweep the right arm overhead. Take a nice stretch here. Release, release. And then slowly float the right hand down. Take that right leg, sweep it all the way over to the left. So we're stretching out any tightness, any tension that's in the right side of the body. Walk those left toes a little further over, stretch and gaze over your left shoulder. All right, shake it out. I'm going to do that flip again. So I'm going to flip my fingers back to my knees, move the spine a little bit, just kind of shaking and wiggling and releasing. Okay, you ready for the other side? I think I am. Take that left leg behind you and then exhale, knee to your nose. Again, do as many as it feels right for you. Take them slow if you need to, or get that fire burning like I am. Inhale, leg up, exhale, round the back. Stay with it. I think I did about 10 here, but you can do as many as it feels right for you. All right, leg pump. Time to get that booty pumping. Time to get that booty pumping. Okay, and then bend the knee. Pump it up, pump it up. You're feeling that glute engage here. Make sure you are flexing the foot and you're also activating your hamstring. All right, take that left knee and let it tap the left shoulder and tricep. Inhale, leg out and tap. Inhale, extend and tap. Make sure you're spreading those fingers wide, drawing the navel in, keep tapping. Again, doing as many as it feels right for you. And then shift the weight all the way over to the right. You're balancing on the right hand and the right knee. That left knee is going to tap the left elbow. Breathe deep. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, tap. Inhale, extend. Exhale, tap. Find a little balance here. Reach that left leg up. Reach the left arm up. And then slowly lower the left foot. Sweep the left arm overhead. Stretch, 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 stretch. All right, lower your left hand. Pause for a moment. Rock those hips from side to side. And then bring your hips to meet your heels. Now, I did forget and leave out one thing, so you can take that left arm you can take that left leg and swing it over and get that side stretch, but it's okay. I'm in child's pose now. I'm going to hang out in child's pose a little bit. Now in child's pose, you can just simply relax, hips to your heels, do whatever feels comfortable for you, or you can walk those hands over to one side, stretching out the side body. Then walk your hands over to the other side and stretch out the right side of the body or the left, whichever one you started with. Just make sure you do both sides. Or know that you can just kind of chill here in child's pose and relax. You can even bring the big toes together and open the knees wider if you want. This is all about slowing down. We already did all the hard work. You did all the hard work, babe. You did it. All right. Walk the hands back to center. I like to move my wrist here, releasing any tension. Allow the palms to soften. Slowly lift your upper body. And there you have it. Stay spiritually fly. Have a great day. Ciao.